Hello my dear friends, today we have one unboxing video which is Philips PowerPro Max Bagless Vacuum Series 7000 series. This is very nice, very good quality vacuum cleaner. So let's unboxing. It's already the side of it. Here we go. We have one QR code here. We can scan it and read. We have here the head of the hose. Here is the pipe. There's PowerCyclone. There's one for reading and manual. There we go. Just like this, we can connect the hose and then yeah. No, okay. This is like this. Yeah. This is how we assemble all the parts. We have here floor mode, here carpet mode, and here for furniture and other places. We have three mode here, and you can brush the furniture, sofa, and we have here carpet mode, and we have here floor mode. I read about this vacuum cleaner in the website, and I checked the ratings, high ratings this one, and around 4,500 something, like they make comment and they appreciate it, and out of 5 it was 4.8 something. Very good. And this is, you make like this, it come up, and this one you can open like this, very simple. Before also another model of Philips I used, When I compare this one with that one, and I saw this is very good, easily opening, very practical. Yeah, just like this. And the backside, we have this kind of tools for head of the hose, and this is very nice, very practical storage. Let's talk about the modes of the vacuum machine. We have floor mode and carpet mode here for suction side. Like this. You can make a floor mode, and like this you can make carpet mode. And when you come here, I hope you can see upside. We have one floor mode here, and when you come up carpet mode, here we have one small gap, so it will decrease the vacuum. And another one is for furniture. It's like a sofa, like an armchair. You can clean your furniture with this mode. And let me take the cable and test it. I hope you can see the camera, because the camera is standing above me. This one for the cable, this one for starting and stopping. And as you see here, there are lights. I can reduce the power. It's here. This is the lowest one, and I can increase the power. And this is the highest one. I will put in the middle, and I will put in for the carpet. There you go, for the carpet. That's it. Thank you for watching.